Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1997 Hot Wheels. We have a 1997 First Edition's Excavator. Boom. I'm not sure exactly what moves on it, but I'm hoping it has a lot of moving parts. And we can maybe remove some of this snow over here. Alright, let's see. We got a collector tip here. Hot Wheels introduced its first line of construction vehicles in 1980, featuring real construction vehicles and with working parts. Look for the Cat forklift and the Cat bulldozer. Here's some of the other vehicles you can get. Special collector poster back in 1997. This has a 1996 copyright, and this car was made in Malaysia. This vehicle made in Malaysia. Premier Collector's Model. So this is the first edition of this casting. Whoa. Oh, it does have two moving parts. That is really cool. I'm liking that a lot. Alright, and the little wheels on the bottom do roll. That's a plastic bottom, and this white right here is all metal. Plastic here. And this does not move here, but it does move there, and it does move there, so that's kind of cool. Can't see if it rolls on its own because we're dealing with some snow and ice, but we will get it over there to where it goes. We need more than that. Let's get a good scoop. Come on, get up there. There we go. There's a nice scoop right there. I hope I didn't block it with my sleeve. We'll dump it. It will. All right, let's see if we can do it again without blocking. Ooh, hold it up like that. More than that, huh? Oh, the weight. Still fun for posing pictures, and I love the moving parts. That's always cool. 1997 Hot Wheels, the Excavator. Let's see if we put some snow in the bucket there. Here we get a thumbnail. Thank you everybody that tuned in and watched this unboxing of the 1997 First Edition Hot Wheels Excavator. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. T10 out.